Okay, I'm just going to demonstrate some of the math stuff. So I think we need to insert a couple columns. I'm right-clicking and insert. Here we're going to add up all their grades. So I'll do an auto sum and I'll select, enter, come back up here, and I'm going to drag down all the way because I need this total here. This is total percent grade. To figure out their percent, we're going to divide everyone's grade by the amount of points that they could have earned. And then I need to use absolute cell reference down here so that this person's grade will divide by that and this person's and so on. And then to get a whole number, we'll multiply by 100. And I only want to show 2 decimal places, so I'm going to decrease this down to 2. And then I'll click and drag this down. And then we will move this information over here and make my table for my VLOOKUP. Open this up so you can see what I'm doing. Equals VLOOKUP. I want to look up this person's grade. I want to look it up down here, and I need this table to be absolute cell reference. So I'm going to put my dollar signs in, and I want to get the column index number or the answer from the second column. My table only has 2 columns, so and that's all I need to do. And then again, I can come back here, copy it down. If I do the conditional formatting, a new rule, actually, I'm going to hit cancel. Manage rules, so it'll come back to this every time. New rule, format only cells that contain are equal to A. And if you want, you can just put a different color font for each one. I want new rule, format only cells that are equal to B. Maybe I'll make this one bold. Apply. You can see the color start changing here. So you would just keep doing that for each letter grade. Then I'll come down here, my average. We'll use the average function, or I can start up here and grab it also in my, oops, let me try that again. Average, and I don't want to take my total, right, because that'll skew my average, so I'm going to reselect so that I don't have the total. Enter, and I can drag this across. Again, this should only be 2 decimal places. I'm going to do the same thing for the minimum. Select the same range. Drag it across. And the maximum. Our charts, we want to see the students' totals. I think you did that fine. And then for Ian Anderson, actually, we need our assignment names up here. Assignment 1, and then I'm just going to drag this across. It'll number them 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can select this information here and hold my control key down and then select this. So the control key allows you to select things that are not touching each other. Insert, and then I think this one was a 3D pie. And then I think you needed to maybe choose one of these showing the data labels and explode a piece of one pie. You can just click until only one piece is selected and drag it out.